महंगा है।
अरे होना बोलेगा जो
मतलब होना, बट प्राइस आपने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया ना, उतना पैसे तो हमारे पास नहीं
कम
है।
करे ना
200 रुपये बहुत कम है।
कहाँ तक होना
1000 रुपये
बुलेट का नाम भी नहीं आता उससे मैं 1000 रुपये
ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ, अगर मिले तो मैं आपको आके बोलता हूँ, अगर मिले तो ठीक है। Good morning and greetings from the old city of Hyderabad. Listen guys, there's something that I must confess. The previous video that I had recorded, I may not have been impressed with the videography skills of mine. Quite frankly, it was mediocrity at best. But nonetheless, I was fascinated with the whole experience of scouting the farmers market. That was the last video, right? Yeah. So it was kind of interesting. There's a lot of things that I wanted to convey. Unfortunately, I couldn't. Probably nervousness was derailing my thought process. But however, I'm working on my monologue, guys. I'm trying to make it as entertaining as possible. So today, we are here in front of Charminar. Today we are going to be exploring a different kind of bazaar, unlike the bazaar that we explored last time. So people who are not familiar with Hyderabad, I'm sure a lot of you are, and you guys probably think that Hyderabad is a very advanced city, and I don't blame you guys. There's been technological advancement. There has been, in fact, a lot of technological advancement in the medical science and in information technology. So it's often places like these, places that I love exploring, which are often overlooked. Look at these buildings. Seems like going back 200-300 years ago. We have the cops blaring horn. Busy street of Charminar. Hi guys. Wow, such wonderful people. So let's see what we can explore today. The main reason behind me coming to the olden part of Hyderabad is because it still has the remnants from its past. For people who don't realize, Hyderabad was a former princely state which was ruled by Nizams for over decades, if not 100 years. I think it was over 200 years. So it's kind of fascinating to me, since I've never been in areas like these. It always intrigues me to explore and check it out by myself. So let's begin an adventure. Join me on this exhilarating journey and let me show you guys how it feels like exploring the alleyways of Charminar. Let's go. We are at a junction. I'm sure this is where I park my vehicle. It's kind of easy to get lost in this alleyway, so you need to get well versed with the roads over here. Let's carry on and see what we can find here. Wow, just look at these architectures. How many of you guys have seen this part of Hyderabad? We have a gaming center over here. We have bazaars established in these dilapidated buildings. Look at these derelict buildings, guys. How wonderful they look. Rustic, old school. Exactly like how I wanted it to be. These are the kind of places that I like to explore, not the modern side of Hyderabad or Mumbai or Delhi. This is the real India that I wanted to explore. Wow, just look at these wonderful clothes. Here we have stores of perfumes. Just look at them. How beautifully ornated. भाई साहब ये क्या है? ये परफ्यूम्स है?
हाँ परफेक्ट।
वाओ, इट स्मेल्स ग्रेट। ये कहाँ से है भैया? आप कुछ बोल सकते हैं इसके बारे में?
हमारे पास कई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है।
हाँ,
हमारे पास कई बना हुआ है।
आप यहाँ ओके, यहाँ से मैन्युफैक्चर किया आपने? ठीक है, ठीक है। वाह, अच्छा है। थैंक यू भाई साहब। I couldn't manage to extract any information from it. It was funny. Wow. Let's explore Shahran Market. Seems like an interesting alleyway. Let's see what it has to offer. Here we have wonderful ethnic attires for Islamic women. Wow, check out this for some clothes, guys. How beautiful. Great. कितना है भाई साहब ये एक पीस?
ये पीस
एक पीस कितना है?
ये पूरा गुड़ी
पूरा गुड़ी?
गुड़ी नहीं मिलेगा, खाली
गुड़ी
बुरखा मिलेगा।
सिर्फ बुरखा मिलेगा? बुरखा आप कितने में बेचते हो? 1200? ओके, अच्छा है। बुरखा मतलब ये है, राइट? ये इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
सुन्नी है वो, दुपट्टा है।
दुपट्टा, ओके। इसको बुरखा बोलते हैं, इसको चुन्नी बोलते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू। वाओ, आई डिडंट नो दैट। So yes, seems like these bazaars are established for generations, if not for decades, and it seems more often that bazaars like this are turf for women for shopping. I don't see a lot of clothing, accessories or apparels for men. But wow, seems interesting. Let's see what we can find around in this road down here. Does not seem as bustling as how I usually expected it to be, probably because it's a Sunday, but most of the shops are probably closed for the time being. I'm sure it should open up anytime soon, or maybe I'm too early. So as I was saying about Hyderabad, this area was actually ruled by Nizams, who were the viceroys of Mughal empires, and these guys hailed all the way from Bukhara and Samarkand, which is modern day Uzbekistan. So all the conquest, all the encroachment that occurred in these lands, just like the northern part of India, people travel all the way from Iran and Iraq and Turkey, and they managed to come here, establish their shops like these for hundreds of years. And seems like the relics still exist over here. What an interesting place. Here we have stationery store for kids. Wow, you have beef shops. More burkhas, more meat shops. Does seem like we are in the Islamic neighborhood of Charminar. I did notice few temples. We'll probably see if we have a Hindu side of Charminar as well. What do we have here? Wow, we have different kind of spices and lanterns. We have lanterns. Wow, this is worth an investigation. We have kaju, we have almond, I think this is Walnut. Wow, interesting place. Let's carry on and look around. Okay, we are back to the vegetable market of Charminar. Wow, we have onions. Bhai, kitna hai onion? 1 kilo?
45.
45 rupees. Okay. Thank you, bhai sahab. More clothes for women. I didn't plan on I really didn't plan on touring a vegetable market once again. It was a disaster, guys, last time. What do you reckon, guys? Have you ever been to this part of the city? If you know any place that's interesting, please leave a comment down below so that I can keep exploring. Another alleyway that probably leads to more markets. Wonderful Islamic architecture. So guys, as I was saying, any reference to the history of Hyderabad's culture is incomplete without the Nizams. It's wonderful to actually be around here and just witness so many things that I've never witnessed before. Their influence on this state and its history has been immense, guys. It's literally captivating to just be around here and witness all this architecture and see people establish their shops every day to live a daily livelihood. So yeah, as I was saying, during this 200 years of reign, this area actually underwent a lot of development, economically and culturally too. Nizams were great patrons of art and music, even a lot of jewelries. They had managed to have their establishments over here for decades, and now people have ingratiated in it in themselves, and this is what you have. Shoes, belts, clothes that you can probably buy on bulk. It says fixed rate, 130 bucks. Beautiful mosque over here. There we have the monstrous Charminar. The monstrosity of the monument seems so intimidating. It just fascinates me to just go and try to find out more about its history and its heritage, or what it represents the city. Not the modern Hyderabad, not the clubbing nature, not the women around here. Wow, we have watches over here. Let's see if we can find a Rolex. भाई, आपके पास Rolex है? Rolex? दिखाओ.
सिंगल रोलेक्स भी थी ना गोल्डन.
Wow, just look at this work. Wow. What do you reckon, guys? कितना है भाई साहब?
450 का.
450. What do you think, guys? Original?
Third copy.
Third copy? Okay, okay. I like how honest they are about it being a first copy or third copy. अच्छा है. 450 rupees. ठीक है, thank you. Like I said, guys, I like the fact how honest they are about it when I asked if it's original or not. We all know that it's not original. You can never get an original Rolex for 450 bucks, right? But since I'm broke and my lack of financial credibility, this is what I have to resort to, exploring the old dingy alleyways of Charminar. How miserable my life is. We have people selling kitchen appliances, socks. Wow, look at the crowd over here. People don't seem to care about coronavirus. Wow, it's interesting. Let's have a look. Wow, we have shoes. We have phone cases. We have more watches. Wow, great. भाई साहब आपके पास रोलेक्स है? रोलेक्स नहीं है रोलेक्स? अरे यार ठीक है भाई साहब, थैंक यू. Interesting place, isn't it? हाँ बोलिए भाई साहब. रोलेक्स पता है आपको? रोलेक्स एक ब्रांड है, घड़ी का ब्रांड है. वही मुझे खरीदना था रोलेक्स यहाँ से. हाँ ऑटोमेटिक, हाँ रैडो नहीं, रोलेक्स एक ब्रांड है. तो अगर आपके पास है तो मुझे दिखाइए, मैं देखना चाहता हूँ. दिखाओ. वाओ, some worth for some content, right? About to reveal. Wow, yeah, this is Rolex. What do you reckon, guys? How original does it look? अच्छा है. कितना है भाई साहब ये? 3000? 3000 रुपये. ओके ओके. ओरिजिनल है? ओरिजिनल पूरा ओरिजिनल है. As much as I want to believe him, I know it's not, but let's see what he says. ठीक है, अच्छा है भाई साहब. थोड़ा कम नहीं कर सकते आप? नहीं, कितना कम कर सकते आप? 2000 बहुत ज़्यादा है भाई साहब.
200 कम.
200?
2000.
ठीक है, मैं वापस आता हूँ. थोड़ा महंगा है.
अरे होना बोलेगा.
मतलब होना, बट प्राइस आपने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया ना. उतना पैसे तो हमारे पास नहीं
कम करे ना.
200 रुपये बहुत कम है.
कहाँ तक होना?
1000 रुपये.
रोलेक्स का नाम भी नहीं आता, उससे मैं 1000 रुपये.
ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ. अगर मिले तो मैं आपको आके बोलता हूँ. अगर मिले तो ठीक है, मैं ढूंढता हूँ. अगर मिल गया तो ओके, ठीक है. थैंक यू भाई साहब. वाओ गाइस, this guy claims I cannot get a Rolex watch over here for anything less than 3000 bucks. It's worth a challenge. Let's see if I can find one. Look at this derelict buildings. I'd reckon they would be over 100 to 200 years old, right? Wonderful buildings. Coconut cellars. What are these? Earplugs. SD cards. Wow. Speakers. Portable speakers. कितना है एक पोर्टेबल स्पीकर? 550. 550. 300. ओके. कौन सा ब्रांड है ये वाला? JBL. ओह वाओ. ओरिजिनल. ओरिजिनल. अच्छा प्राइस है. वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल स्पीकर्स. ठीक है भाई साहब, मैं वापस आता हूँ. हाँ, YouTube में वीडियो बना रहा हूँ अपने दोस्तों के लिए.
पूरा माल बिक जाना.
पूरा माल बिक जाएगा. आपका दुकान का नाम क्या है?
मेरा मोबाइल सर्विस.
मोबाइल सर्विस. सो गाइस, मोबाइल सर्विस Please come and buy original speakers from JBL. Okay, आपका नाम? Mehboob. Please contact Mehboob, guys. He's that guy. Whenever you come to Charminar, this is the guy that you'll have to confront. You get original speakers, earplugs from Samsung, SD cards. Wow. आपके पास 120 GB SD कार्ड है? नहीं है, कितना है आपके पास ये? ओनली 8 GB? अरे यार, ठीक है, मैं ढूंढता हूँ. थैंक यू भाई साहब. Fixed price trousers for $160. Let's carry it around and see what we find this alleyway. More derelict buildings, more wonderful architecture. Jewelry shop for women. Like I said, guys, bazaars like this seems to be more of a women's stuff, and unfortunately I am too broke to actually shop anything over here. हेलो भाई साहब, ज्वेलरी दुकान है? वाओ, वंडरफुल. देख सकता हूँ मैं आपका दुकान? थैंक यू. Let's see what we find here. We have wonderful jewelries for women. ये सब आता कहाँ से है भाई साहब? ये सब आप खुद बनाते हो?
ये राजस्थान से आता.
राजस्थान, आगरा. वाओ,
पायल आगरा का है.
पायल आगरा का है. Guys, check out this for shit. Rajasthani and Agra jewelries here.
महाराष्ट्र का है.
ये सब महाराष्ट्र का है.
बम्बई.
वाओ, तो पूरा इंडिया से आते हैं यहाँ पे. वाओ, वंडरफुल. तो अच्छे जगह तो बहुत देख लिया, ये सब जगह मैं देखना चाहता हूँ. हैदराबाद पुराना चार मीनार, ये सब एरिया मुझे देखना बहुत पसंद है. तो मैं वो अपने दोस्तों को दिखा रहा हूँ कैसा लगता है हैदराबाद में घूमना 3-4 दिन के लिए.
चौमेला पैलेस देखे?
चौमेला पैलेस देखा, लेकिन बंद है चौमेला पैलेस. अभी बंद है. हाँ, एक्चुअली वहाँ पे भी जाना चाहता हूँ. मैंने गूगल किया बहुत सारी जगह, तो गोलकोंडा फोर्ट भी बंद है. तो वही सिर्फ चार मीनार के ये बाजार खुला है. तो मैंने सोचा
म्यूजियम खुला है. म्यूजियम भी बंद है.
म्यूजियम बंद है, वही सब बंद है. तो वही मैं हर हफ्ते आता रहता हूँ, तो अगर कुछ खुला है तो मैं ऐसे देख के एक्सप्लोर कर लेता हूँ थोड़ा. अच्छा है सर आपका दुकान?
कपड़ों का मार्केट भी देख सकते हैं.
हाँ वही.
आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम अभिषेक है.
अभिषेक बच्चन. शर्मा.
ठीक है, थैंक यू भाई साहब.
चाय पीना था?
हाँ, मैं वापस आता हूँ. मैं थोड़ा देख के वीडियो बना के आता हूँ. ठीक है, थैंक यू. Wow, such lovely hospitable people here in Charminar. We have cops over here taking care of the traffic. People blaring noise. Thank you, bhai sahab. We have people cycling in the morning around Charminar. People selling bags, watches, bangles and whatnot. Eclectic mixes of items have been sold over here in Charminar. Wow, I finally noticed a Shiv Mandir just in front of Charminar. Let's check it out. Beautiful Shiv Mandir. Let's see what we can find across the Shiv Mandir. I see a lot of shops over here. Wow. Girls, something that you guys might be wanting to purchase, probably in bulk. Makeup items, nail polish. What do we have?
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow?
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshade. Wow. Dikhao. Wow, you have makeup kits over here, guys.
Some Lakme foundations. Makeup.
Wow.
मेकअप फाउंडेशन
कितना है भाई साहब एक लैक्मे फाउंडेशन का बॉटल?
150 का है,
ये 150 का है
155
गाइस?
MRP है।
डोंट यू थिंक इट्स वर्थ अ डील? 150 bucks for just this
आई शेडो पैलेट।
आई शेडो पायलट। वाओ, अच्छा है भाई साहब, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है।
मेकअप ब्रशेस,
makeup brushes
eyeliner, colors eyeliner
and things that I may not be familiar with, but yeah, this guy is helping me a lot.
बिग मेकअप बिग में भी रहता मेकअप बॉक्स जो है आपको बिग में भी रहता,
ओके ओके ओके,
वैनिटी बॉक्स के टाइप में रहता आपको।
थैंक यू भाई साहब, अच्छा है, थैंक यू। Wow, as I was saying, just check out this for a place if you want to shop. Jewelries and more jewelries. Wow. Look at this for a necklace. Interesting. Wonderful bags for women. We have women shopping already. Shouldn't be surprised at all. Sandals. Wow, check out this for some clothes, guys. Fancy little clothes for women to go for parties.
लो 200 का लो।
More watches. I'm determined to find a Rolex watch for myself today. Probably second hand. People gathering up to enter the wonderful Charminar over here. Wow, look at this array of bangle shops. Check out this for some craftsmanships. So it's often areas like this that literally offers everything. So back those days in time, probably hundreds of years back, when this was the center of city, establishments like this were open for the conveniency of people. So you can just walk down your house, buy all your accessories, have wonderful Irani chai, eat your special chicken halim, shop some wonderful Islamic clothes, and all kind of beautiful things. And things like this always fascinated me because I've never been to this side of Hyderabad. So now I have the urge to explore more often. So let's carry around and see what we can find. Wow, check out this. Rolex है आपके पास?
रोलेक्स नहीं,
रोलेक्स नहीं है? यहाँ पे रोलेक्स कहाँ मिलेगा भाई? मंडी? Thank you भाई साहब. At least I'm trying, guys. आप लोगों के पास रोलेक्स है? नहीं है रोलेक्स? अरे यार, थैंक यू भाई साहब. We have Barbie dolls. We have toys for little girls as well.
मैं वही बोल रहा क्या निकाल के
Wow. What is this? Nimra Cafe and Bakery. Since 1993. People having their lovely chai. We have all these street vendors whose business seems to get back reinstated. Oh, the wonderful mosque, the Mecca Masjid. Wow. Check out this for artwork. Check out this for some architecture, guys. Derelict buildings from over 200 to 300 years old. Wow. What are these? Wow, are these vintage coins? This is worth an investigation then. 1 rupee. Wow, we have 25 paise. 5 paise. When was the last time you guys saw coins like these? We have bronze coins. Wow. Check out these guys, this is wonderful. What are these? East India Company? Interesting. Wow, we have vintage coins over here. We have probably sapphire or some kind of stones. Wonderful. Let's carry around just outside the Mecca Masjid, which is probably over hundreds of years. We have vintage coins, stones, marbles. What are these? Wow, we have Bolivian currencies. We have dinars. So much of historical significance in just these areas. Let's carry around. We have juice centers, Chinese huts. Like I was mentioning, guys, establishments like this were just for the conveniency of people, and people who lives around the peripherals of these areas gets out from their house, especially in days like Saturdays and Sundays, come out in the bazaar and shop all the essential necessities. Juice? Sugarcane juice? कितना है sugarcane juice? 10 rupees. Do you think I should try? Maybe it's worth a try, guys. Just for 10 rupees, you can enjoy a wonderful sugarcane juice over here.
₹50 ₹50 ₹50 ₹50 देखो
क्या है भाई साहब ये?
क्लिप, हेयर क्लिप।
हेयर क्लिप्स।
हाँ, हेयर क्लिप्स, बाल को जो लगाते ना वो है। ये साइड
वाह।
पिन है, ये बाल का क्लिप ऐसा होता है।
ओह अच्छा है। सब 50 रुपए है।
50 रुपये।
Okay, these guys seem to have fixed prices for all their hair clips. But check out this for all the women out here. बहुत सुंदर है भाई साहब।
ये क्लेचर है, ये बाल में आता ना ऐसा।
हाँ
क्लेचर।
मस्त अच्छा है। ठीक है मैं वापस आता हूँ भाई साहब। ठीक है थैंक यू। Let's call it a day, guys. I have failed in my mission to find Rolex. The whole video quite turned out to be a bummer. I'd hopefully come back some other day in my quest to find Rolex because I cannot afford the actual one. So thank you very much for watching this video, and until next time, have fun guys. Have this wonderful view again. Wonderful bangles. Shoes for kids. Things you can gift your loved ones on Valentine's Day probably. Yes? Yes. More bangles. Like I said guys, this is a woman's turf. Too much for sexism guys. Too much for sexism. So guys, let's call it off a day. Let's call it off for the wonderful adventure that we had exploring the wonderful Charminar. And yeah, until next time guys, have fun, stay safe.